नेहा हमारी शाला की पूर्व छात्रा है। इन्होंने यहाँ 6वीं से 10वीं तक शिक्षा प्राप्त की है। स्कूली शिक्षा के बाद इन्होंने स्नातक की डिग्री हासिल की और स्नातक की डिग्री हासिल करने के बाद ये यूपीएससी की परीक्षा की तैयारी के लिए संलग्न हो गई थी। आप सीनियर इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर श्री श्रवण कुमार मीना जी की बेटी हैं। स्नातक के बाद यूपीएससी की तैयारी करते हुए लगन और निष्ठा के साथ इन्होंने अपना लक्ष्य हासिल किया है। हमारी शाला ऐसी होनहार छात्रा की सफलता पर गर्व महसूस करती है और अपने बीच पाकर बहुत ज़्यादा हम अपने आप पर गर्व करते हैं।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जब कोई क्रिकेटर सेंचुरी बनाता है तो क्या करता है मैदान में देखते ही हैं आप। और क्रिकेट महाविकेट, जहाँ एक एक चीज़ का रिकॉर्ड होता है, किसने कितना रन बनाया, कितने आउट हुआ, कितना विकेट लिया, तमाम होता है। हम लोगों की ज़िंदगी में भी इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं। जब हमारे बच्चे कोई नया कीर्तिमान स्थापित करते हैं तो हमारे मन में खुशी होती है, आंखों में आंसू होता है खुशी की। और किसी भी शिक्षाविद के जीवन का ये बहुत सुखदायक अवसर है कि 6वीं से छोटी सी बालिका को देख के आज वो बालिका आपके सामने आईएएस अवतार ले चुकी है। ये ऐसा अवसर है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इस अवसर का सदुपयोग ये है कि नेहा बताएंगी कि ये विकट युद्ध कैसे जीता इन्होंने, और उनको बुलाने का भी यही मकसद है कि जीते जागते देखिए कि मेहनत जो करता है वो हमेशा जीतता है। पर पहाड़ को अगर हम सर से फोड़ना चाहें तो नहीं फूटेगा, बुद्धि से फूटेगा। तो उस बारे में आपको नेहा बताएंगी। नेहा को मेरा बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद। नेहा का बयान पढ़ा पेपर में, पढ़ के मेरा मन इतना प्रसन्न हुआ कि संस्कारों की खेती जो होती है बहुत शक्ति देती है। सारा क्रेडिट परिवार के लोगों को देने वाली ये बच्ची निश्चित रूप से बड़े अच्छे संस्कारों में पली। मैं आपसे फिर कहूँगा, माता पिता के लिए आज्ञाकारी होना और गुरुजनों का आज्ञाकारी होना आपके जीवन की बहुत सारी संकटों को दूर कर देता है। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपों में आपसे अनेक आएँ, हर साल 2-4 लोग आएँ, हम लोग 2-4 बार स्वागत करने में बहुत प्रफुल्लित होंगे। धन्यवाद।
Now here today we are standing here to facilitate Neha and we are feeling very proud. बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है कि वो अपने मुकाम तक पहुंची। आप सब भी कुछ ना कुछ भविष्य में बनना चाहते हैं, जो भी हासिल करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए मेहनत बहुत ज़रूरी है और जो कि उसने नेहा ने की है। और आप सबको भी इसी लक्ष्य को अपना निर्धारित करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए जिससे कि आप अपना लक्ष्य हासिल कर सकें। और जब बच्चे आते हैं कुछ बन के तो हम सबको अध्यापिकाओं को सबको बहुत खुशी होती है। और नेहा को बहुत सारी ढेरों बधाइयाँ और प्यार भरा आशीर्वाद। थैंक यू।
Today is a very special and momentous occasion as we have gathered here to celebrate the felicitating ceremony of our own Neha Baidwal, IAS, for her exceptional achievement in clearing the UPSC exam. And it is a moment of immense pleasure and pride that we are witnessing her journey towards success. And make sure if anybody wants to get success, patience and perseverance are very important. The student, those who are not having patience and perseverance can't clear this exam. It is not that much of easy. ये जो सफ़र होता है, ये जर्नी होती है, ये बहुत कठिन होती हैं. We feel very proud that Neha has studied from here, and DNA of Holy Hearts is patriotism. ये हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है कि नेहा हमारे बीच है and she is going to share her journey. All the best, Neha, for your future. Lots of love, blessings and good wishes. And thank you all.
Many congratulations, Neha. We are really proud of you. You have added one more feather in the success of Holy Hearts history. Your dedication, your hard work has paid off, and now we believe that you are going to shine brightly and you are going to add something new to the society, and you are going to make awareness for our environment, which is degrading day by day. So I believe you are going to do something new to the society. And I wish you all the best for your future. So all the best. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Neha. I think we have studied in the same cohort. Neha is 5 to 6 years junior than I am. I think we might have attended this assembly together. I can only tell you this, that this is what success is about. It's not just the UPSC, it's not just any particular thing. Whatever you choose, if you do that well, if you do that excellently, this is what success looks like, right? So I don't have any success tips for you today. That's why we have Neha with us today. I would just like to tell you this. A very wise man once said that in order to learn, you need to do the tapa. तो ये जो आप लोग पंखे चला रहे हैं ना, ये आपकी तपस्या है. थोड़ी गर्मी झेलिए. कोई भी ज्ञान बिना तपस्या के नहीं मिलता है. My request to you is, whatever we hear today, have an open mind. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जिन्हें यूपीएससी नहीं करना है, जिनको कोई मतलब नहीं है सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन से. अपना दिमाग मत बंद करके बैठिएगा कि हमारे को इससे क्या. It is not about the exam. Once again, I'm telling you, it's about the journey. It's about the determination. For you, it can be cricket. For someone else, it can be aeronautical engineering. In every field, excellence exists. So today, we do not have an IAS officer in front of us. We have someone जिन्होंने तपस्या करके अपना जो लक्ष्य है उसको प्राप्त किया है. That is the energy that we want to understand today. So have an open mind, and I will not take any of this time. And once again, congratulations for making us all proud.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning to respected sir, Siddharth sir, principal ma'am, all my teachers, all my dear teachers, and all the students present here. Actually, yesterday I was talking to my brother, and Siddharth sir told me कि 9th से 12th तक के students होंगे, and it will be a small simple event. जैसे ही सर ने बोला मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, I just lost it at that point. I just got so emotional, और मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं कैसे बोलूँगी. सर ने मुझे 15 मिनट दिए बोलने के लिए. So first of all, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to interact with students and tell them that I was sitting there. Just a few years ago, I was sitting there and I was listening to somebody else tell us the secrets of their success. So I've brought this paper, but I don't think I'm going to speak anything from this. I wanted this to be a one-on-one session where I would like to hear your views as well. And this is not about civil services. It is really about the hard work we need to put in anything that we do. So still, I would like a show of hands of people who know what UPSC is. Please. All right, as expected, not many of you. आप लोगों ने 12th फेल एक मूवी आई थी, वो देखी होगी. Show of hands who saw that movie. It's all right. Doesn't matter if you know it. Doesn't matter if you don't know it. Some of you want to become engineers. Some of you want to become entertainers. Some of you want to become aeronautical engineers, as sir said, architects. All the jobs that are there in this world. But you know, there is one little thing that my parents always say to me. They always call me Nanni Cheeti. You know, I attempted 4 times in this examination. 2 of the times I failed it. This exam is consisting of 3 stages in which you have to proceed to each and every stage. It's like a game of snake and ladder. If you reach the third stage and if you fail, you just are thrown back to the bottom. So that happened to me thrice, not twice. Twice I couldn't even enter the examination. Third time I got to the mains part, and fourth time I got to the interview part, and then I'm here in front of you. So as I mentioned the Nanni Cheeti, I would like to tell you why my parents call me Nanni Cheeti. So there are a few lines that I would like you to pay attention to, and make this your life's motto, that you also have to become Nanni Cheetis. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. And then another favorite line from this part, which I even like better than these. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, जब तक सफल न हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष के मैदान को छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, बिना कुछ किए ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. My family, me along with my parents, my papa, chacha, my chacha, chachi, my brothers, we have recited these lines each and every day of my preparation. And not one day I felt, I often see people, complaining that we got depressed. We got so depressed that we can't move forward. So as sir said, ki family is everything. Now this is the time that you will make your social bonds. School is the time where you make your social bond with your teachers, your friends, and your family. This is the time you get utmost love from your family, and trust me, there is no better feeling than making your parents and your teachers proud. Trust me, there is no better feeling than that. Then I was told by sir to talk about the importance of role models and the importance of the hard work that we have to put in anything that we do. So I would like you to think and to ponder over the thought that who you want your role model to be. You have to decide who your role model to be. It can be sir, it can be anybody, it can be one of your teachers, it can be one of the, I will tell you about my role models. My role model was my father, who is a bureaucrat. His honesty, his hard work was things that I looked up to. My role model was Priyanka Chopra as well, because I wanted to speak like her. Another role model of mine was Sir Martin Luther King Jr., because I wanted to lead like him. You must have heard a very famous speech of him. I really wanted to be like him, to lead like him. So, a very intricate choice of your role models, and then you follow what they did. It's very important. It will decide the trajectory of your lives. You're all now senior children. I know you already know what you're going to do. None of what I am here to say would change your mind, and I do not want to change your mind. Anything you want to become, you have already decided it, and stick by it. Take the decision, take your ground, and work hard towards it. Don't stop till you achieve that. Be that Nanni Cheeti that I talked about. Then another thing that I wanted to talk to you about was the importance of teachers. And I always say, and I've always said, that teaching is the noblest job in this entire world. Teachers give their entire lives to us, and I applaud all of you teachers that you have been there for me, for my entire journey, and you guys, they are for you guys as well. Each and every question you ask, they are there for each and every answer you want to seek. Life is all about questions and answers. I would like to tell you that ask as many questions as you can. As many questions as you can, and I believe and I know that you won't get a no for an answer. You will get an answer for all of your questions, all of your doubts. 3 things I would like you to do. Ask questions. Please do ask questions. Seek help. Sometimes we are so much into ourselves that we do not seek help. If you're having a problem with If anything in your life, seek help of your teachers. Third, I know I'm going against the norm by saying this, find faults within yourself. अगर हम खुद से खुश हो गए, मतलब हम रुक गए. You need to be proud of your achievements. You need to be proud of each and every day, but do not be content with yourself, you know. You have to find faults within yourself. When you will find faults within yourself, that will show us that you have potential to do something even better in your life, you know. That shows that you have the grit, you have the perseverance, and you have the, you know, you have the intensity to go to that level and to eliminate all those lacunas that you think you have. And there are so many people around here to help you with that. So, on this note, I will not take much of your time, and I would like to end this with one of the best quotes that I want you to remember for the rest of your lives. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Just don't stop till you achieve your best. Thank you. I didn't give you the chance to talk to me, so we don't get this opportunity here. But any of you who want any kind of guidance, if you are getting into civil services, so please, I am there for you. I owe a lot of my success to this school. This school changed the trajectory of my life, and I'm not kidding when I'm saying that. You know, all these teachers, Paroha ma'am ने हिंदी सुधरवाई है मेरी. I used to write Hindi in English actually. You know, all of us students, we do not concentrate on improving both the languages. Both the languages are very important. And after this, I learned so many other languages as well, and I strive to learn. So this moment I'm taking is for to tell you that please do connect to me. If you have any kind of questions, please do reach me and ask me. I will be there for you, and all the teachers are anywhere there for you. Thank you.